So this is still my most requested videos, how to create bouncy big waves. This is for all my hair straightener girlies that want to learn how to curl their hair with a straightener. Many of you tell me that I don't know how to curl their hair with a straightener. You can use a Cloud9, GHD, Halo, whatever you have. It's just really the technique that I'm teaching you today. I'm just giving you all what you want. So first off, what you'll need are some clips, hairbrush. I would recommend to use a heat protector prior to straightening or curling. Do it now, brush it, let it dry a little bit, and then go on with the straightener.
Firstly, you want to make sure the hair is clean and dry. Brush the hair before beginning to remove any knots. I parted my hair in half and started at the bottom at the first section. I've set the temperature for my Cloud9 to 200. Now that the hair is prepped, let's talk about how to hold the straightener. Start by placing at the roots and make sure you're facing down. To curl, you want to turn the straightener 180 degrees, slowly pulling it the same speed from top to bottom, making sure all the hair fits in the plate so you get an even curl, and voila, perfect even bouncy curl. To remember is don't rush it. Pull the straightener through at a steady, consistent pace. Too fast and too much hair, the hair won't actually heat up enough and the curl won't set properly. So try to keep it consistent and even with every section. I always position the straightener going outwards so that my curls always go away from my face. Also play around with how you hold the straightener. I like to hold it exactly the same way for both sides. I just switch hands, but some people like to hold it from the top, from the bottom. It's really personal preference and what feels comfortable for you. The main thing is just to keep practicing. The more you practice, the better you're going to get, and it does get easier. It's just finding the angle that feels comfortable for you, and then just keep repeating the same motion over and over, and you'll become a pro. It'll be so natural and effortless for you. Pro tips, I recommend setting the temperature at 180 for colored hair and 200 for natural hair to prevent heat damage. The size of the barrel also is going to determine how tight your curl turns out. A small barrel will give you a tighter curl and a wider barrel will give you a looser curl. Now that both sides are done, I recommend to leave the curls cool down for at least 10 minutes to allow them to set and prevent them from dropping. I'm going in with my KYK comb and brushing out the curls just to soften them up. This is a part that you can finish off with any styling products you like. Add texturizing powder or spray to add more volume, or a light hairspray to give it a soft hold. To seal my ends, I'm using the Balmain argan oil through my mid-lengths and ends just to add a little bit more shine. And there you have it, effortless bouncy curls using a straightener. Super easy and easy to recreate at home. Remember my technique, heat and consistency. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and also tag me if you try this at home. I would love